Now we will try to understand another assignment operator, that is called subtraction assignment operator. Okay, what is the use of subtraction assignment operator? So as addition assignment operator, same. Every time addition assignment operator adds a value to the variable. Every time, like see, one time 5 will be added, 67 plus 5 is 72, again 5 will be added, 72 plus 5 77, again 5 will be added. Okay, like that. So subtraction assignment operator, every time it subtracts a value from the variable. हर समय ये वेरिएबल के अंदर वेरिएबल का वैल्यू से माइनस करेगा, सब्ट्रैक्ट करेगा. ओके, हर टाइम. दैट इसलिए इसको बोल सब्ट्रैक्शन असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर. लेट अस सी. int u is equal 67. now simply you write like this, minus. Okay, so this is what happened here. See, now you have used subtraction assignment operator. U minus is equal to 5. Then change it as again u minus is equal to 5, u minus is equal to 5. So now see out what will be the result. Now how many times we have used subtraction assignment? Every time it subtracts 5 from the u. So 3 times we have used. 3 times it will subtract the value 5 from u variable. Okay, 67 minus 5, 62, again 5 minus subtracted 62 minus 5, 57, again 5 minus 52. Finally the value will be 52. Okay, let us see what will be the result here. 52 will be the result here. 52. Understood that? So it is very simple to understand. Nothing, कोई ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं है. प्रोग्रामिंग बहुत ही ईजी है. मैं आप लोगों को ये बताता हूँ, वादा करता हूँ, प्रोग्रामिंग बहुत ही सिंपल तरीक़े से हम लोग प्रोग्रामिंग सीख सकते हैं. वो भी कोई बोलता है मेरे पास लैपटॉप नहीं सर, मैं प्रोग्रामिंग नहीं सीख पाता हूँ सर. इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव एनी लैपटॉप सर. माई पेरेंट्स आर वेरी पुअर and I want to be, I am very ambitious, I want to become software engineer, but problem is what, I don't have any laptop. So don't think like that. Don't show such type of very causes. ऐसा कारण मत बताओ. आगे बढ़ने के लिए आपको कोई रोक नहीं सकता. इफ़ यू वांट टू बिकम रियली सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर, आई एम हियर टू सपोर्ट यू. अंडरस्टैंड? आई विल श्योरली सपोर्ट यू without taking a single paisa, lifelong. Okay, it is my promise. I will write on white paper that I will endorse that. I will surely make you such a very software engineer, and so that you can get very good future and career. Okay, I have a lot of practical experience in my life. जो really आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं तो उनके लिए क्लासेस है. जो मैंने प्रोग्रामिंग क्लासेस, आई हैव स्टार्टेड टू टीच प्रोग्रामिंग क्लास सिंस 2023 January 14th. Okay, so and these classes will be conducted up to my last breath of life, especially on programming. Apart from that, I will say, I will guide also, I will guide you also about how to enhance your career from zero to hero. Okay, zero to hero. You have completed your 10th class and you don't want to go further studies, but still you want to get good future. There is no any problem. You can join in the forces on 10th basis. Okay, go for paramilitary forces. If your height is very low, like 152 centimeter, but you are very eager to be part of armored forces, but your height is very low, no problem. If you are 10 plus 2 mathematics, and so you go for air force. Okay, so I will guide you a lot, doesn't matter, huh? Okay, no, next come come down. This is called subtraction assignment operator. What is the use of subtraction assignment? Subtraction assignment operator करता है क्या है? ये करता है कि हर बार वेरिएबल का वैल्यू से घटा करेगा, माइनस करेगा. मैंने बोला u माइनस u इज इक्वल 5 एंड u इज इक्वल u प्लस, बोथ आर सेम. आप इसको कमेंट करो या आप इसको रिमूव किया, कमेंट को रिमूव किया तो क्या होगा आपका इधर कोड क्या होगा? इनिशियली क्या होगा? u प्लस 5. आप एक एडिशन असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर लगाया, सो व्हाट हैपन, प्लस 5 विल बी एडेड टू 67. तो व्हाट द रिजल्ट विल बी 67 प्लस 5 72. देन माइनस होगा 72 माइनस 5 67, फिर अगेन माइनस 5 62, अगेन माइनस 5 57. द रिजल्ट विल बी 57. नाउ so 57. This is called subtraction assignment operator. Very simple to understand. So u is equal to u plus 5, u, and this subtraction assignment operator u minus equal to 5. We can write also this as u is equal to u minus 5. u minus 5, both are same. There is no any difference between u is equal to u minus 5 and u minus this is the short way to write the subtraction assignment operator and addition assignment operator. Okay, u is equal to u minus 5 and u minus equal, both are same. Okay, this is called subtraction assignment operator.